Hey, welcome to the last video on chart types. In this video, we will draw a tree map. Using tree map, we show two things. One is the hierarchical nature of the data, and secondly, the size of each category or branch. For example, here I have data of 5 countries and the number of medals they have won in different sports. So there is a hierarchy. First, you have countries. For each country, you have sports. You could have further hierarchy also. You may have names of sports persons for each sport also. So that would be the next level of hierarchy. For now, we have only one level of hierarchy, and this last column corresponds to the number of medals won by each country in that particular sport. Now I want to show this structure also, that which country won medals in which sports, and I also want to show the number of medals won. For this, we are going to use a tree map. To make a tree map, you need to import this treemap.csv file into your My Assignment report. Then add a new page. On that new page, add a chart, and this will be the last chart type, which is tree map. Place it on the page. Now in a tree map, the hierarchy is given within dimensions. You need to put the two dimensions here, country and sports, and be careful of the order. If you want to see sports within each country, country will come first. If you want to see countries under sports, sports will come first. The metric we want to see is medals. Once we set the data tab, you will see a tree map like this. You can see that each country takes up some space on this chart. So this is United States, this is China, this is Russian Federation, this block is Great Britain, and this block is Germany. This area that each country is taking up is based on the value of the metric. The country which has won more medals gets more space on the chart. Also, under each country, you will see the next level of hierarchy, which is the sport in which medal was won. The area taken up by each sport and the darkness of the shade of the color also represents the number of medals won by that country in that sport. So maximum were won by United States in the swimming sport. Similarly, a lot of medals were also won in athletics. Fewer medals were won in swimming by China and table tennis by China. You can see that since tree map assigns larger area and darker shade to those categories which have larger value, it automatically highlights the important categories for our users. But still, I would suggest that you should use this very carefully. Tree maps do look good, especially if you are artistic. You can use coloring to make a really good looking chart. But this chart is not very intuitive and may not be easy for your audience to understand. So just think of the audience once before you decide to use this chart. Now practice this chart. Also make a tree chart with this order reversed. That is sports on top of country, and compare the two maps. Check out the coloring options also in the style tab and make something interesting. See you in the next video.